It's funny. You meet these famous people and you have all these like
Oh,
amazing things you're going to say to them. I met Dallas Jenkins at Kappa Studios there,
oh.
and I had my fish in the microwave, right? And he was right there next to me, waiting to get in the microwave. And here's my famous conversation I had with Dallas Jenkins, my opportunity to talk with Dallas Jenkins, the guy that does The Chosen. I said, "Yeah, my fish will be ready in a moment."
Oh my
Quote
gosh.
unquote, John Fornoff said this to Dallas Jenkins. They have a plaque on the wall. This is what he, it's so embarrassing.